In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a meeting request in Outlook. First, open Outlook and switch to your calendar. You can do that by clicking the calendar icon at the bottom left. This puts you in the right place to create and manage events. Next, start a new request. Look to the top left and choose New Event. In some versions, it may say New Meeting. Either option works. This opens a window where you'll add all the details your attendees will see. Begin with a clear, descriptive title. Think of it like a headline, short, specific, and easy to understand. Avoid vague subjects so people immediately know what the meeting is about. Now add attendees. In the Invite Attendees field, start typing names or email addresses and select the correct people as they appear. If you're coordinating across teams or time zones, use the scheduling assistant to check availability. This view helps you spot conflicts and pick a time that works for everyone, which saves a lot of back and forth. Set the date and the start and end times. Before you finalize, confirm the time zone, especially if you or your attendees travel or work in different regions. Outlook usually handles this automatically, but a quick check can prevent confusion. For location, you can add a physical room or choose to make it an online meeting. If you're meeting virtually, toggle the option to turn it into a Teams meeting. Outlook will add the join link and dial-in details for you, so attendees can connect with a click. Use the message body to provide context. Add a brief agenda, goals, and any pre-reading or links so people can arrive prepared. If you have documents to share, attach them here. Keeping key materials in the invite makes them easy to find later. Keep attachments reasonably sized, or use a shared link if the file is large. When everything looks good, title, attendees, time, location, and message, click Send. Outlook will deliver the invitation to your attendees and add the event to your calendar. You'll see it appear right away, and responses will show up as they come in. That's it. Thanks for watching.